Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds to go. Start. National Law University has remained a subject of debate in Jammu and Kashmir for several years. Stop. The idea of establishing a premier legal institution was welcomed by students, lawyers, and civil society, as it promised quality education, research opportunities, and better access to justice. Stop. However, delays in approval, funding, and infrastructure created frustration among aspirants who were forced to seek admission outside the region. Stop. In recent discussions, the government reiterated its commitment to set up a full-fledged national law university with modern facilities, experienced faculty, and transparent admission procedures. Stop. Officials stated that land had been identified, and coordination with regulatory bodies was in progress. Stop. They emphasized that the institution would strengthen legal awareness, promote constitutional values, and encourage research on regional issues such as human rights, environmental law, and alternative dispute resolution. Stop. Despite being assurances, students expressed concern over repeated announcements without concrete timelines. Stop. Bar associations demanded clarity regarding the academic session, fee structure, and reservation policy. Stop. They argued that a delay affects not only education but also employment prospects for local youth. Stop. Experts suggest adopting a phased approach, starting with temporary campuses, digital libraries, and collaborative programs with existing universities. Stop. The proposed university is expected to reduce migration of students, improve professional standards, and contribute to judicial reforms. Stop. It may also generate employment in teaching, administration, and allied services. Stop. However, success will depend on consistent funding, independent governance, and accountability. Stop. Observers believe that timely implementation can transform the legal landscape of Jammu and Kashmir. Stop. A credible national law university can serve as a hub for innovation, policy research, and social justice. Stop. Without decisive action, the issue may continue to remain a promise on paper, leaving students uncertain and opportunities unrealized. Stop. Stakeholders urge swift decisions so that commitments translate into classrooms, careers, confidence, and a stronger rule of law for all. Stop. Dictation ends.